Steve here with the 𝗟𝗘𝗧𝗦.com, the channel where we help cleaning business owners scale their businesses with systems, controls, tools, and resources. How to get customers with a marketing kit. Don't know what a marketing kit is? Well, this is a marketing kit. I created one. It's a folder that I created. I had my design and took it to a printer and had to make up my package here. But the whole idea about a marketing kit is that it's actually an enabler for attracting new customers and educating existing customers and forming partnerships. It's a great tool for that. So, a good marketing kit is so powerful, it stops and makes people think. And that's really what you're trying to do. You want to really set yourself apart from your competition, and a marketing kit will actually do that. So once you've created your target clients, your client list, and you've identified some of their frustrations and problems, what you want to do is that you want to address those frustrations in your packet, in your marketing kit. And you want to talk about how you solve those frustrations. So when you do that, when you actually put your documents together, and I have a few different ones in here, but when you put those documents together, don't talk about you in your business per se. You want to use language such as you want to use language that you're speaking to your audience. So use words like you can. Other things you want to do is that you want to use action words like go here. So that's what you want to do. Now when you do create your pages inside here, you'll have a number of different pages depending on what you're actually going to put in here. But I'll tell you, some of the pages that you should have is customer testimonials. So make sure you put those in here. And if you haven't or if you are not collecting customer testimonials, you've got to do that. Try to ask for written testimonials, and if you can, the best is getting video testimonials from your current clients. So use those, and if you got video, you can transcribe those onto a document, and make sure you put them in your marketing kit. Let other people talk about how great you are. So you definitely got to have that. Now, something else you got to have is you got to have some case studies in here. Hopefully you've got a few clients and you've been working with them for a while. But when you first met that prospect that wasn't a client yet, they had a frustration or a problem that they're looking to solve. And that's what you want to do with this case study that you'll put in your marketing kit, is that you're going to explain exactly what the problem or issue was and how you actually solve that problem and issue with your systems and processes in your cleaning business. So very, very important. Try to list at least two. I'd say at least 2 case studies would be great. And now when you're doing this, think about companies that are similar to the one that you're going to be giving the marketing kit to. So if you're presenting to some walk-in clinics, make sure you have some case studies from walk-in clinics that you've been providing service for. That will really help them, persuade them, to sign you up and be a client. So make sure you do that. Now, something else you got to have is in here is make sure that you put some process descriptions, especially for like today, because here we got COVID-19 going on, and a lot of cleaning companies are going out and doing preventative cleaning. So in your marketing kit, go ahead and have a page on there that talks about your process or your protocol in which that you use when you go out and do preventative cleaning and disinfecting for clients. That'd be very valuable. So make sure you have those in there. Something else you might have, I've got a page here that's our story. I got that in there, so it talks about our history and stuff, so people have a good idea who we are and what it is that we really do. I have a frequently asked questions page too, because that really clears up a lot of questions that somebody may have. You know, so those are the things that you want to have in your marketing kit. Like I say, I had, you know, I came up with my design, and then I decided to go ahead and go to a printer, and I had a printer actually print up all my pages and everything. Then I got my business card. You know, it's kind of unique here. This one here, it's actually a circle. You know, that's a circle business card. You don't see that, and I've had many people make comments on that. But so you know, my marketing kit's unique, and you know, it's informative, and it really makes us stand out as far as from our competition. So, and that's the whole idea about having a marketing kit. Is that's what I want to do. Is I want to be able to stand out from our competition and show people how we are different than every other cleaning company that's out there. So now, you know, if you follow these guidelines, and you are on your way to an outstanding marketing kit. Now, something else I want to say is that if you want to create a marketing kit, go to the 𝗟𝗘𝗧𝗦.com and go into the download library. In the download library there, we have a marketing kit forms, so you can just download those, edit them, and create your own marketing kit. You know, like I say, it will get you more business. So go ahead and do it. You can thank me later. So hopefully you got some value from this video, and if you did, feel free to comment and share. And if you have not already, make sure that you subscribe, and make sure you turn on those bell notifications to get the latest updates on new videos that we release for building a successful cleaning business. So thanks for checking in today, and we'll see you next time.